case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of the United States heard United States v. Knotts in 1983, a case that focused on the use of technology to enhance police surveillance and sensory faculties under the Constitution. The case involved charges against a suspect for conspiracy to manufacture controlled substances. After obtaining consent from a chemical supplier, authorities installed a beeper in a container of chloroform suspected to be used for making controlled substances. The beeper was used to track the container following a car, and eventually led the authorities to a cabin occupied by the defendant, where a drug laboratory was discovered. The Fourth Amendment's potential violation was at the heart of this case, with key issues including the beeper's installation with consent, its use to locate the container, and the discovery of the drug laboratory. The majority opinion, written by Justice Rehnquist, elaborated on the details of how the beeper operated and how the suspects were surveilled. The court ultimately ruled that installing a beeper with the owner's consent did not violate the Fourth Amendment, and that monitoring beeper signals didn't breach privacy expectations. While the argument against warrantless beeper tracking was rejected, a justice of the court did note that challenging the beeper's installation would have been more difficult and questioned the constitutionality of planted beepers. The respondent in this case couldn't challenge the installation, but a justice argued that this exposed confusion in defining Fourth Amendment standing.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.